CryptoTag is a Dutch company based in Amsterdam, specializing in providing high security solutions for cryptocurrency seed phrase storage. Established in 2018, CryptoTag offers products designed to protect digital assets recovery phrases from various physical threats such as fire, water and corrosion. Now, the main product line includes the Thor, Zeus and Odin toolkits, all made from titanium. And these kits allow users to engrave their hardware wallets' seed phrases onto titanium plates, ensuring durability and security. Now, the Thor and Zeus kits are compatible with the BIP39 standard, commonly used by hardware wallets like Ledger and Trezor. The Odin kit, on the other hand, is designed for the Shamir SLIP39 backup schemes. Each kit comes with a variety of tools to facilitate the engraving process, including a hammer, anvil, leather bits and earplugs. And the titanium plates are designed to be nearly indestructible, withstanding extreme conditions and ensuring the safety of the engraved seed phrases. Now, one of the key selling points of CryptoTag products is their resilience. The titanium plates are tested to withstand extreme heat, pressure and mechanical stress, and this makes them a reliable option for safeguarding seed phrases compared to traditional paper backups, which are vulnerable to environmental damage. While the initial investment might be high, the products provide peace of mind for those with significant cryptocurrency holdings by offering an additional layer of protection against physical damage and theft. In this video, I'm going to announce a giveaway and we're going to unbox their ZEUS product. Let's dive in. Right, so here we have the box. It looks nice, and then when I open it, it says this is for the hodlers. That's a very difficult word for me to say. Then it's got this book, a setup guide, and we've got 2 conversion sheets where we can fill in our words. Now, why is this important? Because this will allow us to store 24 words per piece of paper. So you can use a wallet that has 12 words, or you can use a wallet that has 24 words. So that's very convenient. Now, what you could do as well is just make a copy of these actually, and then cut them out so you have several of these sheets of paper. Right, so let's move on. Here we have the product, and the fun part about this product is that they've actually engraved it with my name. I hope you can see it on the camera. It says Rico. That's a very nice addition and very nice feature. This is how the product looks. And then if I show you this on the big screen, this is how the product looks. And it feels very, very hefty actually. And I really, really like it. Now let's remove these 2 clips, because they keep these sheets of titanium together. Each of these have 12 words, right? So this starts with 1, this starts with 13. So you can use this for a wallet that either has a 12-word phrase, or you can use it for a wallet that uses 24 words, right? Now, the neat thing about this is they actually thought about your ears, because the tool that they ship this product with is being used to make holes, or to punch holes basically, inside these words or numbers, right? And that makes a lot of noise. So you can use those earplugs, and then that saves you your ears. Now here we have a CryptoTag matchbox, which is very fun because you can actually try to set this product on fire by using these matches. So that's a very cool addition. This is for the hodlers, that's what it says again. Right, so if you want to use this, it's very easy. I'm not going to use it right now because I still have a hardware wallet which I need to unbox, and which we do a giveaway about as well. But you need to put this onto the number and then really firmly press it, and then that will punch a hole in the number, and that's how you can store it. Now you might wonder, how do I know which one I need to punch, right? Well, let me tell you how you can know that, because they deliver a book with it. It's a setup guide, but if you look further past the setup guide, it will show you this list of words, right? It starts with 001 abandon, and it ends with the word zoo, which is 2048. Now what's good to know is that all of these words that are in this list right here, they are all universal, right? So if you ever lose this book, you can just search for it online. But then let's say our first word is Dune. That means our first word is 0545. That means we need to punch holes in the 0, in the 5, in the 4, and then in the 5 again. And then that way, If our wallet gets stolen or lost, or we need to recover it in some sort of way, we could just look and see which numbers we have punched over here. And then we can use these words to actually find the word that we need for our seed phrase to fill in and to be able to recover our wallets. So that's a very nice addition. Look, as far as I'm concerned, if you don't have a tool like this just yet, definitely be sure to get one. These look very, very great. And what's great is that the CryptoTag company actually sponsored this video and allows me to give away 2 of these fine examples, right? So that means you can get one for free as well. But all you have to do is subscribe to my channel and then leave a comment saying, I like CryptoTag. That's all you gotta do. And then in 2 weeks time of posting this video, I will announce a winner in my free Telegram, which is linked down below as well. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Doei!